This Star Wars droid-looking robot is one of the cutest and most impressive robots out there now. Meet the TRON-1, the ATST BD-1 of real-world robotics. First off, just look at this thing. The TRON-1's design is straight out of a sci-fi movie. If you're getting major Star Wars vibes, you're not alone. Its two-legged bipedal structure is seriously reminiscent of the iconic ATST walker, the chicken walker that patrolled the forests of Endor. Just like the ATST, TRON-1 stands tall on two legs, giving it the agile scout walker appearance that's both futuristic and a little bit nostalgic for fans of the saga. So who built this cute droid? LimX Dynamics is a next-generation robotics company based in Shenzhen, China, founded in 2022. They're all about pushing the boundaries of what robots can do, with a big focus on developing general-purpose robots powered by advanced artificial intelligence and motion control algorithms. This isn't just a walker, it's the world's first multimodal biped robot. Thanks to its modular foot design, you can switch between point foot, sole, or even wheeled configurations, making it a super flexible platform for research and development. LimX Dynamics built TRON-1 as a plug-and-play platform for robotics labs and AI research. It's ready to go out of the box and comes with a fully open SDK and hardware interface, so you can start experimenting right away. TRON-1 supports voice wake-up and speech control. That means more human-like interaction, perfect for testing human-robot collaboration and natural language interfaces. Need more functionality? TRON-1 now supports an optional robotic arm so you can study mobile manipulation, whole body control, and motion planning. There are also options for depth cameras for 3D mapping, navigation, and obstacle avoidance. TRON-1 recently picked up the 2025 RBR50 Robotics Innovation Award, cementing its place as a leader in next-gen robotics. Why does TRON-1 look like a Star Wars droid? It's not just about aesthetics. There's real engineering behind that sci-fi look. The two-legged design gives TRON-1 agility and versatility, just like the ATST walker's role as a fast, maneuverable scout vehicle in Star Wars. And, like the BD Explorer droids, TRON-1 is built to be a companion for researchers, able to traverse different terrains and adapt to a variety of tasks. You can even attach wheels to TRON-1 for it to move even faster. TRON-1 isn't just a showpiece. It's aimed at researchers, educators, and developers who want a robust, flexible platform for embodied intelligence, reinforcement learning, and human-robot interaction studies. Whether you're in a university lab or a high-tech startup, TRON-1 offers a ready-to-run, customizable testbed for pushing the boundaries of robotics. So there you have it, the TRON-1 droid from LimX Dynamics. It's a real-world robot that looks like it just walked off a Star Wars set, combining the best of sci-fi design with cutting-edge robotics tech. If you're dreaming of building your own droid army or just want to explore the future of AI and robotics, TRON-1 is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the world of robotics and AI. Thanks, folks, and peace out.